Hello, this is me Atifan, and today I'm here to start my first episode of $10 challenge. In this challenge, I will start from $10 and my goal is to make $100, $500 and even more than $1,000 just from $10. So the question is, will it be possible? Can I do it? Time will tell. So let's see how far I can go. Now let's see. Let's start the game. Now see the market. Bitcoin price is 10263.493 and market is just volatile. It's too volatility in the market, and now I am seeing red candle. So I think I should trade for lower because market is just going to drop down. Now put $10 amount. I just put $10 because I will start from $10 and I select 30 minutes because if there is a more volatility in the market, so 30 minutes is enough for backup or to change the trend. And I select lower. So should I confirm? I confirm. So I confirm. Maybe it's a reaction on quick reaction. My decision is based on quick reaction, but I think that it's in this time it's a good decision because market is dropping down back to back 3 to 4 candles is red and the price is very drop right now. That's why I select lower. But whenever you place the order, you should stay at least 5 to 10 minutes and see the market. Just analyze the market, see, and then place a trade. And I start my trade from $10. You can see on screen I put $10. And now there is a bullish trend saying you can see bullish, a green candle. Now the market is just going up. From the moment I put trade, from the next second the market is going up. Now you can clearly see that screen. Now market is clearly looking a bullish trend. The candle is growing. We can see two back-to-back green candles. It means that market is going up and we have leads. The current price of Bitcoin is 102.730.15 and our entry point was 102.606.18. That means there is a lot of leads between the entry point and the market. So, but don't worry, we have a lot of time and we can come back if the market can go in minimum time. So obviously they can drop down as well, because when I put the entry, the market was clearly leaking bearish trend. We were seeing the candle were red and the market was down. But just when the time I put entry on 102.606.18, on the next second the market was just like growing up. But that's game, that's Bitcoin, 1 second up, next second down. Well, now let me tell you what's the exact reason when market suddenly grow up or drop down. Because if there is suddenly market down or up, so it means there is some event happening behind them. Maybe a recently development by Federal Reserve's past regulatory. After that regulation, the dollar has got a strong position. So I'm not saying that was the reason, but whenever market going suddenly up or drop down, that means there is an event happening behind them. Now you can see I have still 25 minutes remaining, and if I won 80% of payout I will get, and if I lost, so I will lose $10. And see the market, still market is only an up, and my entry was on 102.606.18. 102,606.18, and the current price is 102 and 806, which means a clearly this difference. But still I have time, and I'm hoping best to drop down, because it's Bitcoin. Market is clearly volatile. This time market is dropped down. Now a few cents markets is dropping. I'm not sure that how far it will go. Now let me show you my safe entry zone. Let me show you. I will draw a line. Now you are seeing on screen, this is my entry, safe entry. If Bitcoin reach to this level, that will mean that I can come back, and chances of my winning will be higher. Now you are seeing this 102,564.91. This is my safe entry. That means if the price reach to this level and the market drop down to this level, then I will have chance of winning. Now you can see this line on screen. It means that the market is dropped to this level, which means I will have chances of winning. But market is still too far from this level too, and I drop a line, this blue line you can see on the screen, and the price of my entry, safe entry, is 102,564.91, and now current price is 920.63, which is still too far from my even safe entry. That means chances of my winning is too minimum, but that's a game. That's not a big deal. One time you win, the next time you lost. Okay. Now my time is not much more for me, but still I am hoping that maybe the market is dropped down suddenly now. But still, this time, from this point of view, market is still very up, and my entry, the level of my entry is, now you can see the red part. Now you can see this is my entry point, 102,606.18. But as far as I'm concerned, if I lost this game, it will be alarm for me, because I'm now feeling that I trade as quick reaction, based on quick reaction. But your trade should not based on quick reaction. You should have to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes, stay on screen, analyze the market, see the volatility and see the candle, and then base your trade on analysis basis. Not just see the candle and follow the trend. And that was my biggest mistake, when I put my trade just based on seeing candles, because market is not just about candles, it's about trends, it's about volatility, and it's about the trading history, your experience base. Now that means you're saying countdown is start. I just lost this game, but don't worry, I lost $10. So it's a major setback for me, and don't worry, it's a part of game. Sometime I have to win, sometime I have to lose. Now you can see how much game I win and how much I lost. This is, and but let me tell you why I lost this game, because that was my biggest mistake when I put my trade and hurry up. Your trade should not based on emotion, should not based on quick reaction. In fact, you have to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and I just see the market for a few seconds or even 1 minute and then place a trade. But in my views, this loss will tell me a lot, and sometime lost can tell you, can teach you more than wins. And today I realized that when I have to trade, when I have to place a trade, I just not see the candle, just not follow the trend. Because when I place the trade, that time the entry was 102 point something and market was clearly dropping down. But the time when I placed the trade, from the next second market dropping up. And if you also know that I made a mistake, do tell me in comment section.